my life, I'm on my own. Shit, it came me that won't be long. When we break up, find another love, younger, better, stronger, harder. We made it through. We made it through. Another one came, one at 7-Eleven. She admitted with me, never got first sight. Fragrance is until now. Unforgettable, making us unforgettable, making love, making love. Lyrics sang arranged and composed by Mario Antonio Macalino Pareño. Song title, Son of Waray. Son of Waray. Third single in a album plan of mine. Regards to all Pareño and Macalino around the world, wishing you all the best, especially to my family, Natalie Pareño, Seba Macalino Pareño, Mercy Macalino Pareño, Victoria Macalino Pareño, Mario Antonio Macalino Pareño, Niti niya Pareño, Danami Pareño, Jim Simon Pareño, Sinayami Pareño, Shinmari Pareño, Shanroy Pareño, I'm San Gabriel Dimat Series alumni of Barangay SS Lucky Latin 21 Maria Alvarez Cavite, Manila, Philippines. Mabuhay to all. Regards also to Joel Macalinaw, Mylene Macalinaw, Siren Macalinaw, Lelen Macalinaw, Austria, Hannah Macalinaw, Austria, and Mark Joshua Macalinaw, Austria, plus Batoy Makalinaw, Uncle Batoy Makalinaw, Auntie Karing Makalinaw, Quintana, Honeyboy Quintana, Honeyboy Makalinaw Quintana, Kulitog, at Makalinaw Quintana, Samantha Makalinaw Quintana, Ashley Makalinaw Quintana and her baby sister, Ricky Makalinaw Quintana and all her daughters, Karen and April, Jonathan and Jessie Bolt. Plus to Danny Makalinaw, Day Makalinaw, Anissa Makalinaw, Al Makalinaw, Ying Makalinaw, Yung Makalinaw, Arlene Narido, Stephanie Narido, their brother and parents. To all Narido din, to all Makalinaw din, and even yung Didi Bali. Plus Darwin Obalan, kay Makalinaw, Mary Grace Obalan, Marvin Obalan, Isabel Keith Labra, Kain Joshua Labra, plus kay Makalinaw, Heidi Makalinaw, Felix Makalinaw, Jeffrey Makalinaw, Jeffrey Julio, Elvin Joseph, all Bonbon, and all my friends, Rona, friends there. I hope I can come back very soon. For me, it's the best vacation ever. I enjoyed my stay there. My vacation in Carigara, Barangay Pugon, a lot. The river is crystal clear. The seas are great. Patalan. Night in the boulevard is the best. It's like the feeling is alright. Number one in the world. The beasts, the tuba, Lomo, the humba, the lechon, the animals there, the fruits that you would imagine, calamansi trees, there's a lot of langka, etc. It's fish, carabaos, beautiful. The pigs are beautiful. They're very cute. It's like look at them, it's more like looking at a teddy bear or something. It's very very cute. The pigs and the piglet, very very cute. They're very beautiful. Sometimes I wish they're not to be killed. Too bad we didn't make it in a fiesta and in the Flores de Mayo. And the water in the river is the best in summer because it's very very cool. It's like bathing in iced water, a water filled with ice. It's very very cool. The river is very very cool. Ito nga, Boracay ito nga, the water is very very cool. It's like it's full of ice and ice trip. Summer, special summer here in Ginica Beach, it's very hot. So I feel more relaxing than in the river. Only we have a river here in Ginica Beach. Again, song title is Sana Puay. Lyrics sang arranged and composed by Mario Antonio Nakalinas pa rin. My songs are composed of fiction songs and more like made up stories, and some are based on my life. From other person's experiences. So this has been Manatag Makalinaw pa rin, saying bye guys, love you guys, mabuhay to all. I miss all my sangkay sangkay in English it's friends, sangkay Pijigan Tagalog, sangkay there in Baricogon. Mabuhay kayo lahat. Isa-miss ko na kayo. Gusto ko nang bumalik dyan. Love you all. Bye guys.